All right, hi everyone. This is a video on how to find a drug plan. So we're in November of 2026, Medicare open enrollment. The annual election period is on, and you can choose a plan. Now, this is for those who are on a Medicare supplement or Medigap plan, like a Plan G, Plan F, K, and L. Those types of plans, you have to buy your drug plan separately. So we're on the government's website. It's medicare.gov. So www.medicare.gov. It's the government's official website. This is the best place to go to find this information. I'm going to walk you through how to find a drug plan to make sure yours is the best value for next year. So we're going to go here, click on Find Plans, and you put in your zip code and click on Continue. This part's going to ask what type of plan do you want to look at. Now, we can look at Medicare Advantage plans. That's only if you're going to be on an Advantage plan for next year. But this example, we're going to look at the middle one, the Medicare Drug Plan or Part D. This is when we're buying those separately. And we click on Find Plans. The next page asks, do you get help with your drug costs? You can put in if you get help. We're going to assume no extra help and click on Continue. The next page will ask, do you want to see drug cost when you compare plans? This is always a yes. If you take any medications, you do want to click on yes. If you don't take any medications, you just would click on no and go to the next page. So we're going to click on Next. This is where we add prescriptions. Now, this is a very important part of calculating which plan is the best for you. If you go in here in this search bar right here, you can start typing the name. So for example, this is a torvastatin calcium. This is a like cholesterol medication. We can add the drug, but it does ask you which dosage you take, how many do you get, and what the frequency is. So if you're doing one a day, it's going to be 30 every month, for example. You add that one to our drug list. Now, you can, if you have other drugs, you just click on add another drug, and you can compile your list. If you're on 5 medications, make sure all 5 are there. You have the exact frequency, quantity, and dosage, and name. Make sure everything's correct. Have your medication bottles with you and go through this process. Now, when you're done adding all the drugs, go to Done Adding Drugs. Now, this is also an important calculator, and that is the drug the pharmacy that you use. So if we go into mail order, I want to try using mail order, and then let's say you use Smith's Pharmacy. You can do Walmart Pharmacy. You can add up to 5 different pharmacies at the bottom. Here the pharmacies that I add are just right here at the bottom, and then down here on the bottom right, we're going to click on Continue to View Plans. All right, it's sorted automatically by lowest drug plus premium cost. You can change this drop-down box to your deductible or lowest monthly premium, but we want to do drug and premium cost combined to see what's going to give us the lowest prescription drug plan. You can filter by insurance company. So if you want to look at here in this zip code, there's 5 different insurance companies. You can if you want to only look at 4 or 5-star plans, you can do that. I wouldn't look at those. I wouldn't look at insurance carriers. I would just look at whatever one comes up first. So this one that comes up first it's from a company called Humana. It's their basic RX plan. It's PDP, means prescription drug plan. It does have a 3-star rating. The monthly premium is 0. This plan would cost you 0 to join per month. And the cost for that medication, this is the estimated drug cost for all of 2026. So it'd be $42 if I got it at a retail pharmacy. If I got it through the mail, it'd only be $18.12. This does have a drug deductible. The drug deductible most likely applies if you get into higher tiered brand name medications. So I would recommend going with the plan that comes up with the lowest drug and premium costs. There are other drug plans. This one's $9.60. That one's $19.40. They're going up in price. Paying more doesn't get you more. These plans all have a basic level of coverage. The government kind of sets that. So I would go with this one here, and you can click on Enroll, this green box right here, and you can sign up for this. It asks you to join the plan. You'll need your Medicare number, your information, address, date of birth. So grab your red, white, and blue Medicare card. You'll need that information. You click on Join Now, and you'll just go through the really simple application process to sign up for this plan. Now, the plan calculator is only basing it on the drugs that you're on right now. If those drugs change, you'll want to look at this on a yearly basis because most likely your drugs can change. These plans change on a yearly basis. So this is something you want to do every year. Spend the 10-20 minutes on Medicare.gov every year going through the same process to see which plan is going to give you the best pricing for your medications, for your drugs. And this one, in this case, if you're just taking a really cheap medication like that atorvastatin, this one would be the one to go with, so you can enroll in right there. So hopefully this is helpful. This gives you some information on how to select your drug plan, how to enroll in it. And enrolling in the plan here will automatically kick you out of your existing plan for the end of the year. So you don't have to call up and cancel your existing plan. You just automatically enroll, and this will take the place of your current plan starting on January 1st. Okay, thanks for watching.